Hello, my name is Ken Brosser, and you're very welcome to my YouTubio review. So, what's YouTubio? It's an all-in-one breakthrough YouTube automation tool to grow your channels and get higher rankings, traffic, subscribers, and profits, according to the makers of YouTubio. Let's see what we get here. With YouTubio, you can import and manage multiple channels under one roof, increase traffic, views, likes, shares, comments, subscribers, leads, and profits from YouTube with a couple of mouse clicks. Upload, download, and optimize multiple videos in just minutes. Engage your audience better with auto reply and auto comment templates. Create playlists and manage multiple playlists for maximum engagement. One-click keyword finder to get top rankings for your videos. Auto-optimize your videos with a keyword-specific title. Tags, description, and categories for insane traffic. Track your videos and other videos' rankings based on keywords for even more authority rankings. Link wheel for monetized and money videos for increased profits. Highly detailed and innovative dashboard to give you in-depth channel statistics. The simplest way to become YouTube master without the tedious and tiring work. 100% newbie friendly, no prior experience required, and so much more. YouTubio is the only platform you'll ever need to completely suck YouTube dry, even if you have zero experience. Number 1, automate YouTube manual label. Number 2, boost rankings and traffic. Number 3, securely hosted in the cloud. Number 4, super simply easy to use interface. Number 5, find real winner in just one click. Number 6, has a free reply and comment automation, and so much more. Online profit equation normally boils down to one thing: traffic. And it's a very simple equation. You need more traffic equals more sales equals more leads equals more profits. Now, when it comes to traffic or presentation, we're not talking about the spammy kind, not in the least. We are referring to the kind of traffic that fattens your bank account but doesn't take forever to materialize. And nothing is more powerful for traffic right now than video marketing. One of the biggest traffic mediums on the planet is video. As a matter of fact, 86% of online marketers use video content. Marketers who use video grow revenue 49% faster. Marketers who use video receive 41% more web traffic. 52% of marketing professionals worldwide name video as best for return on investment. Now in these tough times, the video train is moving even faster, and it's moving with or without you. YouTube is hot property. Being the world's second largest search engine behind Google and owned by Google, YouTube have the potential to deliver you an endless stream of visitors, leads, and customers, whatever niche you're in. Real quick, we want you to understand how powerful and profitable a platform like YouTube is. So let's look at some stats. There are now 2 billion unique YouTube users every month, a 5% increase from the previously reported numbers in 2018. Every day the world watches 1 billion hours of YouTube videos. That's equivalent to 100,000 years, more than all of human history in a single day. YouTube is also the 4th most used social media platform for organic content marketing, with 53% of business-to-business marketers using it. More than 500 hours of video were uploaded every minute, a 40% increase since 2014. In other words, that's about 30,000 hours of new content uploaded every hour. 90% of users say they discovered a new brand or product on YouTube. 17% of all the internet traffic flows through YouTube. The number of channels that earn $10,000 per year or more on YouTube grew by 50% year over year. YouTube is the second most preferred platform for watching videos on TV screens among 18 to 34 years old after Netflix. 68% of YouTube users watch the video to help them make a purchase decision. As you can see, YouTube represents the biggest and best opportunity for you to get in front of your potential customers. But there's one more thing. Google loves YouTube videos too. As YouTube is owned by Google, this monster search engine automatically ranks YouTube videos higher than regular sites and SEPs. And here we have a proof for that. Here's MacBook Pro review, and the first spots are covered by videos. It can also be a very challenging platform to manage, particularly as your channel grows. Here are your roadblocks. Video SEO is the biggest problem. Researching targeted keywords, finding a good attractive title, creating an amazing description, inserting lots of relevant tags. Number 2, YouTube channel management is a pain. Managing your channels, uploading videos, creating playlists, managing subscribers. Number 3, replying and managing comments is challenging. Replying to comments, deleting offensive comments. Number 4, tracking metrics can be daunting. Rank tracking for individual videos, monitoring channel statistics, accurate reporting of views, subscribers, viewers, retention, likes, dislikes, traffic sources, and much more. Performing comparative analysis for other videos. But what if there is an easy and cost-effective solution? Thankfully now it is. Presenting YouTubio. Here's what this software will do for you. Find hundreds of easy-to-rank keywords in any niche that you can rank in minutes. Generate search engine optimized title, description, tags for all the videos that YouTube absolutely loves. Import and manage multiple channels for better results. Manage, upload, download videos and create playlists with just a few mouse clicks. Boost your audience engagement by managing your comments and auto-replying to them. Rank, track all your other videos and keep eyes on any trends in the ranking. Get accurate statistics for channels and videos and find the real winners. Turn YouTube into a profit-pulling machine. And according to the makers of YouTubio, there are 3 simple steps to dominating YouTube and video marketing. Step 1, log into YouTubio. Step 2, set up your campaigns. Set up single or multiple campaigns from our control panel as per your requirements, which only takes a few minutes. Step 3, sit back and enjoy profit. That's it. Now just recline and watch your videos pouring in traffic, views, likes, shares, subscribers, sales and profits. Rinse and repeat as many times as you wish. YouTubio is enough for newbies, yet powerful enough for the most advanced marketer. Here's a list of mind-blowing features. Channel manager, video manager, keyword manager, keyword finder, auto-reply, rank tracking, dashboard. So what remains for you is to grab yourself a cup of coffee and let the magic begin with our innovative tool. Who needs YouTubio? Newbies, affiliate marketers, YouTubers, product creators, e-commerce site owners, coaches and consultants, authors, speakers and experts, bloggers, offline businesses, and pandemic profit seekers. YouTubio front end is 2 options, basic and bestseller. And besides $10 difference in the price, the more expensive option have more features, and it's twice as much with most options. So if you're into this, I think you should take a grip on your wallet and well, at least consider buying. And what I know, it will be on sale for at least Thursday. That is the 3rd of September. So you got approximately 4 or 5 days to decide whether this could be something for you. So, launch hacking. Let's get back to business. Sell more of your digital products, boost e-commerce sales, boost your YouTube channel revenue. There's absolutely no other software in the market that even comes close to YouTubio, and definitely not at the same price. And here we have a list on monthly costs for different tools, and anywhere around $1,100 a month, and compared with the low price for one-time price for YouTubio, this is definitely something to consider. A few major advantages: camera shy, no problem. They, according to them, you never have to be on camera, not a single time. No more spending big bucks on SEO services. Get traffic round the clock with minimum work. 100% cloud-based, no long downloads. And here we are at the experts' reviews. Most of them are, all of them are positive in one way or another. YouTubio is what you need to raise your video marketing game to the next level. No more wasting time trying to do everything manually. No more spending hundreds of dollars on complicated software that promises the world but ends up being sleazy. No more manually replying, managing and deleting comments on your channel. No more scraping the bottom of the barrel while finding keywords for your videos. No more jumping from one software to another to get accurate analytics. No more chasing SEO experts to get your flicker of traffic. A quick recap. Here is what you're getting today. Complete YouTube automation, advanced video marketing suite, get top rankings in minutes, snag tons of server melting traffic, bypass the hassle of managing comments, skyrocket your engagement and subscribers, newbie-friendly dashboard, works in any niche, step-by-step from login to profit, training included. Let's crunch the numbers. And here we have another list of tools that are charging per month, and it's quite an amount of money. And it sums up with a total value of $3,312 a month. and compare with the price for YouTubio. This is from a price point of perspective. It's nothing to do, it's a no-brainer, so to speak. And finally, it also comes with a money-back guarantee, 100% guarantee in 30 days. Here's the pot sweetener. Use YouTubio for full 30 days with all its advanced and innovative features. It will surely revolutionize the way you do YouTube and video marketing for maximum traffic leads, subscribers, sales and profits. But at any point of time within 30 days of your purchase, if you feel YouTubio falls short of your expectations, just drop us an email and we'll return back your money ASAP. So, this was my YouTubio review, and thank you very much for watching. My name is Ken Prosser, and I will get back to you with another video. Thank you very much, and bye.